Okay, so now I'm going to use my graphing calculator to show you guys, or a graphing utility. You guys can also do this on Desmos, which is a free app if you guys want to download it. This is a graphing calculator emulator, and I'm going to show you guys what solutions look like on this. Okay, and I'm going to use polynomial functions for that. Let's start out with a simple polynomial function, one that you guys might be familiar with. X squared plus 5x. Nope, wrong. Whoops, delete. Plus 5x plus 6. Okay? You guys, you guys know this is a quadratic. Do you guys remember how to solve this?
No.
No?
Personally.
All right. Personally, no? No, that's okay. That's why we're doing this, right? Okay, so what you do to solve this is you would set this equal to 0, and then you would look at this and say, hey, I got to factor this. Okay, and then you use a big X or use a box, whichever way you'd like, or you can just do it in your head. What times what gives you 6, and then adds to give you 5. 2 and 3. Now, I'm going really fast over this. I'm not teaching you guys how to factor. I'm just trying to show you guys how to solve this. Now, if you wanted to finish solving this, you take each of these factors and you set each of these factors equal to 0. So what are my two answers? Alright, check something out. Now I'm going to graph this. I can graph this function now just by pressing this graph button. You guys see this graph button? I press graph and then it graphs it for me. Now if I just go to a standard window, this is what it would have looked like. This is standard window. It has negative 10 and a positive 10. Positive 10 and negative 10. And it looks like my calculator just froze, so let me go fix that really quick. Okay, I fixed it. Alright, notice where this function crosses the x-axis. You guys see that? It crosses the x-axis at what 2 points? Negative 2 and? And those are the two solutions that we found, right? Oh, okay. Hold on, I'm going to try to expand your mind a little bit. Okay, so we got x plus 2 and then x plus 3. Whoops. What would happen if I added another factor onto this? It's the same function right now. I wrote it in factored form, but let's put another factor onto this. Let's go minus x minus 3. How would that change my graph? See if anybody knows how it would change the graph of your table. Go. That's right. Now it has 3 solutions, and if I graph it, this is what it would look like. So now I have that one, and a positive 3 for my solution. All right, that's the end of the solution talk.